Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, and as you can see there, steaming hot, just finished. We're going to do some chicken wings with 7-Up, Sprite, or if you wanted Coca-Cola or Pepsi, any kind of sweet soda. I'm using 7-Up. Got some lovely spices in there. They're absolutely delicious and they take no time at all, apart from the marination, that is. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So, chicken wings. I've got like 20 chicken wings there. 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And then a few bits of broken star anise. If you want, you could use powdered star anise. 1 cup of soy. I'm using a dark soy. Half a cup of oyster sauce. And a can here of Sprite or 7-Up. Or if you want Coca-Cola or Pepsi. But we're going with Sprite today. What we're going to do is get all that in there and then stick it in the fridge. Okay, let's get started. Let's get our garlic in there, our black pepper, our chili powder and star anise, our soy sauce. Like I said, I'm using a dark one. Use light if you want. Our oyster sauce. And then I'll just crack open this can of Sprite. Pour that over. Not adding any salt to this because the soy and the oyster sauce is salty enough. We're going to give that a little mix. Get some shrink wrap on this, plastic wrap or cling film, whatever you call that. And ideally, you want to put that in your fridge for 4 hours. I'm actually, I think, going to stick this in overnight. That's it. Sleep well. Okay, good morning. So yeah, I did actually leave mine overnight. So I would recommend you want to leave it for 4 hours. Overnight is fantastic. If you want, do it, cook it straight away. It's not going to be quite the same, but yeah, that was overnight. Let's get to the cooker. It's really simple. So here I am at the cooker. I've got my favourite wok that I'm using at the moment. You're going to need a saucepan or a pan or something. All we're going to do is we're going to drop all this in. The heat is on. And what we're going to do now is we're going to just boil away until it dries down. So we're going to just cook it until this kind of dries down a bit. Not completely, but pretty much all the way. You can give it a few mixes every now and then. It's probably going to take about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so if you want, you could stop right now with this amount of sauce in there, or you can burn it off a little bit and dry them out. I'm going to go a little bit in between both of those, so I'm just going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. I'm happy there. Nice kind of glaze on them. You could go a little bit more if you wanted. Let's get these on a plate. Okay, and there you go. Super sweet, nice little kick to them. Juicy, sticky wings. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.